Hello friends, have you heard about the Web3? Like you understand like what is 3 in the web. You might be using a lot of internet in different videos, and here you are also seeing a YouTube video. So this Web3 is representing a generation, but do you know what it exactly means? And do you know how Web1 and Web2 and now Web3, what's the difference between these three? So in this video, we are going to look into this difference and try to understand when the new technology is coming, what it is bringing to us. So stay tuned. We will be meeting after a short intro. Hello. So let's start with first generation of the web. When we say Web 1, it is representing the era which we have around 1990s and early 2000s, where the web, on the website, when we visit any internet, we see only the text content and or the images. It is very static. We can't change it, right? So you can just read the documents, you can read the page, blogs. That's it. That was the where your content is very static, right? But with the change in the technology, coming up with a new JavaScript and dynamic pages emerges, and which brings the new era where people are also generating the content. So in the initial days, when in the Web 1, there is only few people who is publishing their content, and other people were consuming that content. But in the second generation of web, there are few people who is generating the content, and the other side also adding the value to that content. So for example, we have seen question answers and blogs where people can comment, or the emergence of social media where people are generating the content on the websites. So basically they are putting their text or images or any other form of media, and where everyone is the participant and in helping the creation of the content. So this is what the we called Web3, and generally this the time range for this is around 2004 to around 2000 like 15-16. But after that, when we heard about the cryptocurrencies and the technology behind it, it brings a new era or in the web version, and which we call the Web3, where people are generating the content, but they are the owner also. So if we compare from Web 2, let's say I have created one post on the Facebook and other people are commenting on it, then basically the initial content is mine, but other people are just adding value to it, right? And let's say if I'm creating a YouTube video, I'm putting the content, I'm the owner of that content, but other people, when I putting their content in the form of comments or any other form, that is not owned by other folks. Or even my content, my video can be used by other people for their purposes, right? If it is open source, then other people can use it for free. If it is licensed, then there are different ways to protect that. And there is no actual way to protect it and make sure, okay, it cannot be stealed. But whereas in Web 3, everyone can create the content, but they are the owner of the content. So for example, if I create a content in a form of video, audio, or text, that content cannot be stealed by other people. It will be easily detected, okay, this content is coming from my channel or my handle. So this is the power of Web3, and it is powered by blockchain. I'm sure you might have heard this term in the world of cryptocurrencies. So I think you have got the basic idea about what is the difference between the Web 1, Web 2 and Web 3. and it is quite a famous technology which is getting nowadays. A lot of applications are coming. So the applications is called like decentralized application. So if you want to learn more about the decentralized application or DApp, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create a videos on that. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow as a YouTuber. So please like my channel, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is BK from Manikka signing off.